Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Vibrate for request notifications on Google Drive. If you rely on Google Drive for sharing and receiving files, you know how important it is not to miss those access requests. By turning on vibration, you'll never overlook them again, even when your phone is in silent mode. Let's get started. First, head over to your phone's settings. This is where you can manage how apps behave, including their notifications. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down to find the Apps option and tap on it. This is where all of your installed apps are listed. From that list, locate Google Drive and open it. Google Drive has multiple types of notifications, so we'll go specifically into how requests for access show up. Once you're inside the Google Drive settings page, select Notifications. Here, you'll see how Drive notifications are organized. The next step is to tap on Notification Categories. This menu breaks down the different types of alerts Google Drive can send. Among them, look for Requests for Access. This is the option that controls notifications when someone needs permission to view or edit your files. Go ahead and tap on Requests for Access. Now you'll see the notification settings for this specific category. To make sure you can feel the alert, toggle on the Vibrate option. Once that's switched on, your phone will vibrate whenever someone sends you an access request. That's it. You've successfully enabled vibration for requests on Google Drive. From now on, whenever someone asks for permission to access one of your files, you'll get a subtle but noticeable alert, ensuring you don't miss a thing. This small change can make a big difference, especially if your phone is usually on silent, or you often have sound turned off. By enabling vibration on these notifications, you'll stay responsive to important file requests without constantly checking your phone. Thanks for following along.